This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Ken and Ruthie Welch. Upstairs end unit with 1,160 square foot living area and 1,260 total square foot with a large screen porch providing a panoramic view. Since purchasing in 2020, the sellers have installed a new water heater, refrigerator, full-size stack washer and dryer, installed new carpet in both bedrooms, replaced kitchen sink and countertop, replaced all faucets, installed new LED lighting in kitchen, foyer, hallway, above bookcases, both bathrooms and installed a new dining room light. They have also installed new vertical blinds, new hardware on the kitchen cabinets, installed new curtains and curtain rods and a new lock on the front door. Total improvements are estimated in excess of $13,000. In the past 10 months, see attachment for an itemized list provided by seller. A new air conditioner and a new range were installed in 2018. The living room, dining room and hall all have updated with laminate flooring. The master bathroom has ceramic tile, shower only and a walk-in closet. The second bathroom has ceramic tile and a tub with a shower. The second bedroom is currently used for storage, so there are no pictures. This is not an age-restricted community. The monthly community fees provide a clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis courts, shuffleboard and includes the water, sewer and trash pickup. La Casa is located just south of Lake Wales but only minutes from LegoLand Florida, Central Florida attractions and the beaches. There are plenty of lakes and golf courses with public access nearby. For more information,